Hello guys, it's Jammer 26789, and yes, as you could already see, I'm in Roblox. I'm not an anime channel. It's something new. No. So today I'm gonna show you my park and theme park Tyccoon. That's not mine. And yeah, I'm gonna just like zoom so you guys can not see it. I work hard on this, like legit. What even is my life? I don't even know if I have a life. Okay. Oh, I'm choking again. I always choke. You dirty people. I know what you said. So I'm currently at 5 stars. And my name. Wait, let me make the screen bigger. Hold up. Oh no, I don't want to show you guys. Okay, that's much better. I have 4 stars and I have 284,466 money, whatever you call it. Are you guys ready? And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's called Mountaintop because there's a lot of mountains. So this is the entrance. This is like the main plaza. You could buy food, sit, and everything, and yeah. Then there's another one of these. Then you could go to the carousel. Then you go over here through this beautiful pathway, and you could. Oh, there's a hole. Oh God. Okay, then this is the toy store, as you guys could see, toys. Okay. Oh God. Okay, so you go here, you turn, then right here is a welcome to Teddy Hotel, because I'm called Teddy Boy 1, as you guys can see in the right corner, and you can't actually go in it. It has no access or no. Okay, so then you go here, welcome Wild West. Okay, so you go here. This is the exit now, right? Oh God. Oh God. You go through here, and then you go to the observatory thing, and then you go through this path, and like I said, there's gonna be a lot of mountains, trust me. And here is the first one. This is the drop tower cart. The drop tower, and then you go, and then you can see a beautiful view of my crappy theme park. It's technically that one, but it's a ride. That could be a okay. Never mind. Some random fences. Okay. Then this is called the Tree of Wishes. Then you go, and you can get some food, some ice cream. We got some what it looks to be milk, I guess. Some pistachio, some chocolate, some more milk, cause you know he needs some milk, some vanilla, and some strawberry. Then you could just hang out here. I have one of these in the other end. And then you could go through here. You could see the satisfying art. Then you could go here. This is gonna be that's not gonna be Snowy Land anymore. Never mind, it's not gonna be Snowy Land. So I was gonna make it like where you could ski, and there's gonna be some hot cocoa and stuff. And then right here you could buy popcorn. Oh God, I can't even get up. Okay. Then you go over here. Oh, my neck is hurting. Holy crap. Okay, should we go to Kidland, or let's go over here first. This is the water park, and I don't know what's that. What the heck that's doing there? So yeah, don't judge me. Then you go to this beautiful path, and shout out to my friend. I'm pretty sure, yes, I do have friends. Yeah, I'm a bit jealous because I have friends. Yeah, the more you know, right? Am I right? Because some people didn't know I had friends. So yeah, I'm totally not that. Here's the swan. Then that thing that I built, yeah, surprise. Most of these things my friends built, but I built this thing. My friend built that swan thing, but I built everything else. Then we are gonna go to Kidland. Here's the maze. Me and my friend built it, but I built it. I built it more because you have finished. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the shippity ship. It's not called that, okay? And I'm lost in my own maze. Holy crap. Okay, here you go. Okay, so over here you go up, and then booyah, you could see this. This is it's a pirate ship theme. That's why you could get this, a pirate hat thing. Okay, enough of the talking. Now we're going to my favorite part of the park. So here is a beautiful path. Oh, this is part of Kidland, the jungle ride, and the spiral slide, I'm guessing, and the teacups. That's from Kidland. Then we have this. I didn't build this because I don't know how to build roller coasters. So props to my friend Dart Ben, and this is the mountain digger made by Dart. Should I show you guys? Okay, I'll show you guys. I just have to wait for it, which that's satisfying. Waiting for a roller coaster. Isn't this the best channel? Where the heck is it? Like, seriously, did it break? Hello? Oh, it's coming. Okay, let's go. Enter if you dare. Oh my god, I can't even jump. Oh, there you go. Auto-saving in 10 seconds. That's great. Auto-saving, yay. Okay, let's jump in this thing. It's not the most intense ride, but I mean, it's what we got, okay? Oh, dang, we're already 7 minutes in. That's a lot. I could do math. You see, I'm not that dumb. Okay, so we go through that rock mountain. I wanted it to be a mountain, but you know I don't have them skills. Okay, sorry, I'm heavy breather. I mean, that's how I was born. So yeah, can't do nothing about it now. That's kind of sad. I need to crack my fingers. Ow. I've been playing this 24/7, like no joke. On my spring break, like 2 weeks, I've been playing this game. Just kidding. I started 3 days ago. So yeah. I still play it 24/7, okay? That's my life right there. Story of my life. Doesn't have any friends and just stays alone and play in his computer and still has no online friends. Okay, that's cute. Yeah. Okay, so you go. This is, and now we're going to my favorite part. Let me just zoom in. Although I don't like this perspective, but it's for good. Okay, so here we got this archway. Then this is the mines. So the restrooms are pretty good design, if you know what I mean. Then we go to the miners ride. Yeah. Then this is where you wait. You could wait, or you could just be impatient and put it in and what's it called? Oh god, it's coming! No! I don't know why my friend put it Christmassy and all. Okay, F. There we go. So I'm gonna be, wow, now no one wants to come. Yeah, thank you, McKinley. That's your name. That's cool. Okay, let's go. Okay, yay. Woo! Yay. Yeah, there's this really big this thing. Whoa! Oh, my life. What am I doing with my life? Like, seriously. I'm sick, so yeah. I don't know why I'm sick. I don't go outside, so I don't know why I'm sick. So you go up, and then you drop. And this is where it gets fast, as you guys can see. Then there's a loop. Yep, we just went through the loop. Okay, that's cool. There we go. That's the end. I have 140 guests, which surprised me. Okay, so then we got this cool little entrance. You could buy smoothies and I never knew how to spell, okay? And some popcorn. And then this is the masterpiece that was kind of made by me, but most of it was made by my friend. Oh my god, I need a life. Don't focus on that. So you guys know the ride that we just did, it was actually through this mountain. Like, we traveled all around this mountain. And this is Mountain Everest, created by Nathan. So yeah, Nathan is like one of my best friends in here. Yeah, surprise, I do have friends. Okay, this is a restaurant you could buy. What is this? I don't even know. Oh, it's a cafe. It's supposed to be Starbucks. Oh crap, no, that's bad. I had a cafe sign right there. No, my cafe. Why is this so dark? There's nothing wrong with the color black, just saying. So you go here, we got the twister. Then we go up. And surprise, there's another tree. This is not the tree of wishes. This is just a tree. And I need to finish this. I was thinking of like putting like a hut or something comfy, like a building or even a ride. I don't care because I really need a ride. Then this is the perfect thing. Okay, so this is called the Washington Wheel, inspired by Jakey. Jakey is another really good friend. He built the whole, like, Washington City. I was gonna make a video about that, but I guess I'm late. I'm too late now. Oh god. Wait! Okay, so it's got the stars, Washington. We got the red, blue, and white thing, Washington. So yeah, I did a pretty good job. Then we got this Easter egg kind of thing. This rainbow thing, I don't like it that much, so I just put it in the little corner. Although the corner is where I'm supposed to belong, so whatever. Yeah, I really need friends, like seriously. Okay, so bye guys. That was all for the tour, and yeah. Could you go in the bathroom? Never mind. Bye, Felicious and Felicious, and yeah, that's my new outro. So deal with it. Bye.